Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know me as Spectrum, but I have been streaming somewhere else. Yeah, I've technically been cheating on you, but I decided to give Kick another try, and I want to tell you about the experience that I've had so far and show you how I set my stream up to make it look the way it does, because I didn't know that there were these tools out there. I don't believe they were originally available when I first started streaming on Kick back when, like, the first week. But I spent a lot of time away from it working on YouTube, and I decided to go back and give it another try. So let's jump in. All right, so this is my Kick. I went with the name Doofus because Spectrum 12 Spectrum was taken, and I've often been called a doofus, so I thought I would embrace it. In true doofus fashion, would a doofus spell the name right? No, I don't think so. So I went with Doofus. And I've got a lot of laughs with the name, popping in people's chatting with them. It's been a lot of fun. I've met a lot of really nice people, like a Willy Rug Rider. I just had a blast streaming there. It's fun. It reminds me of when I first started streaming back in the days of Mixer, you know, when that was a thing. I know they get a lot of hate. I don't understand it. You know, maybe you can let me know what you think in the chat, you know, in the comments, but I just don't see it. And I've had a blast there. So I'm going to show you how I set up my stream and how I make it look the way it does, because there's a lot of tools that you might want to know about if you decide you want to stream on Kick. All right, so here we have a game scene. I have it black and white. That way you're focusing on the things that we're putting on the screen. And I'm using just some clips from Dead by Daylight so you'd see where the gameplay would be. That's my main game. So we're going to jump over to some of these tools that I was telling you about. Okay, so here we are on Kickbot. And if you scroll down, after you sign in, connect your account, you can go to widget library, and then you can find all these different widgets that you can use if you want to. Some of them you have to pay for, I believe some, but most of them are free. At least the ones I've been using, I haven't paid for it. But you have different chat options. I don't use the chat from this one, but what I do use is the follower goal. You can go in here and click edit, and then you can change your follower number. Let's go with 200. You choose the color, it's fully customizable. Change your name to whatever you want to call it, and we're going to hit save because we updated it. Okay, go back, and you want to go right here to the link, click get the URL, copy it, and then just go over to our game screen. We're going to select plus browser source, and then there we go. Let's refresh so we can see what it looks like. And there you go, you have your follower goal. Another site I like to use for Kick is Kick Tools. This is actually my favorite. They have so many different things that you can use. Let's take a look at the tools. You have free tools and you have premium tools. You have chat stats, emotion, I guess it's like emotes. I like to use Engage. So we're going to take a look at that one. Go to setup. Now they have you can select your chatter goal, however many you want. I currently have mine set on 20. This is the reason I like to use this one is because one of the matrix that you need to try to get for partner or for verification is so many chatters. So you put your name in, put Doofus. I want to try to get 20 chatters. My next stream, we're going to go with compact because I like the smaller version. And then you can change the colors however you want. And then you're going to hit generate. Click on the URL, and then you just go back over to your OBS or slobs. I'm using slobs. I prefer slobs. So here we are on our game screen. You just want to go select the plus, browser source, select new, put in your URL, and hit OK. And then there you go. You have your chatter goal. I want to move it around though. Resize it. We're going to drop this down right over here. Okay, so now we have our Engage tool, and we're going to go back over to Kick Tools, and we're going to select Fusion Chat. I like to use that one. So as you can see, it has, if you multi-stream on, say, on Twitch and Kick, you can put both of your names in right here. We're going to put my name in Doofus. You can select your font, the size, the color. If you want the shadow, let's put large on. There's different themes here. Take a look at the different ones. No fade in. I like the fade in. Let's see what this frost looks like. Yeah, I don't like that. They have horizontal chat if you prefer that. But anyway, we're going to go back up here and go with just the basic one because I like that the most. We're going to change the time that the message stays on screen. We're going to go 45 seconds. Let's hit generate. Okay, so now we have our URL. We're going to go back over to our game screen, go in at the plus sign, browser source, put in your URL, and we will resize it in just a minute. There we go. Slide it right in here above our engage goal. And I have mine sized at 400 by 600. So now we have a follower goal, chatting goal, our chat, and then I'm gonna drop this follower goal off, and I'm gonna show you another tool that's on Kick Tools that I've been enjoying. So let's go over here to tools, and this time we're gonna go to the paid tools. I did buy this one. It is called Pulse. It shows you your follower goal, your sub goal, and then it has a rotating matrix for your viewers. You can put in a custom goal, or not a goal, like a custom counter, and then this shows your runtime, how long you've been, your uptime. And there's different themes. You can see this. I don't really like that one because you can't really read it. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better, but there's a lot to choose from. So we're going to go in and take a look at that. Okay, so here we are at the setup for the Pulse. Once you purchase it, you'll get an email that'll give you a license key and a link to set it up. I've already put my name in. It's substart, so I'm at 0. So we would put 0. Sub goal, let's put in 5. Then we're gonna go with follower goal. Let's put 200, and then a custom keyword. You can put, say, if you want to do a win counter, let's just put in win. You can select different themes. You can select a color. Let's go with Argon. I don't really like that. I think that's one of the nice ones. I don't really like that one either. I don't like the dusty grass. Let's go with Gotham. Yeah, it's nice and black. You can see really well. You can select a secondary color. That's where you select the color of your font. We're going to stick it with white. And then because we're going to do wins, let's go with the trophy. Now, in your chat, you can put an exclamation mark win and then a number, and it will change the custom field. This is the custom field right here. So that number will pop up there for you. So we're going to put in our license key, and then I will meet you over in Slobs. Okay, so here we are back on our gameplay screen. You want to hit plus, browser source, add new source, and we're just going to name it Pulse. Put in your URL. This works best at 1080 by 300, and then hit close. And then you can drag this wherever you want to put it, but you can see it's updating. That takes just a second to update your follower goal. We have our sub goal. This is the rotating metrics for your viewers at the time. We have our custom matrix, and then it says offline because we're offline. I'm going to go in my chat really quick. Exclamation mark win, and we'll put in 45. And you can see it updated to 45. That you had 45 wins if you're doing something like that. You can also do like a death counter if you're playing something really hard, like say Elden Ring, or if you're playing Dead by Daylight, you can do your kill count or your escape count. That's what I use it for. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, seeing me how I set up my stream. If you have any questions about Kick or setting anything up, let me know. I'll be glad to help you. Follow me on Kick. The name again is Doofus. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, you got anything out of it, please like, share, and subscribe. All those things, the YouTube crap. Comment, and I will see you in the next video.